Space melody on the beat.
Techfeedz.
Alright people, got another one. I hope you're doing well out there, by the way. We are about to unbox the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus case. This is a 360 all-rounder protector. Okay, so that's front and back gel case, drop protection to a certain extent, shock absorption technology. You're about to see all that. All right, I'll showcase this a couple of times already on this channel. So yeah, without further ado, make sure to like the video, share the video if it's any useful to you, sub to the channel if it's your first time out here. We love you all out here and we love your support. Without further ado, let's get down to business. Let's do it people. All right guys, let's get down to business. I'm gonna unbox this quickly. Alright, so I've got 3 cases by the way here. Okay, got 3 different cases. That's one right here, pretty dope one as well. You know, Spy Gen for Galaxy S9 Plus, and that's the main one that we're gonna be doing today. Okay, all right. This is pretty simple. Just gonna open that, and I'll leave all the details on screen for those of you that are into the specs, and you know, you can read through. Take that out. This is the case. Okay, front and back. All right, so that's the front. It's pretty simple how you put it. See, very easy. But it's always better to start with the back. Okay, so I'm gonna take that off. Take that off. Put the back one on first. All right. So then you go with the second bit, you know, and fasten that. So it's pretty simple. It's already done. Just have to make sure these kind of angles are well covered. Push them in. All right, push these 2 in. Right in like this. Sorry, just there. Whoa, okay, that's it. So that's pretty what it is, you know, pretty simple, pretty straightforward. All right, so this is what the case looks like, you know, 360. All right, I've showcased this already, I think 3 times already on the channel, so I'm not gonna go through the overall. I'm just showing you what the case looks like. All right, this do work, everything does function. The big button, also the volume rocker. Well, you just have to understand that this is not heavy duty protective case. All right, you must understand that it's not a heavy duty protective case. Everything is covered, fingerprints covered, the cats are correct. You can see there's no gap. Okay, flashlight and so on and so forth. All right, so this is what this is designed for your light scratches. Okay, tactic feels, in terms of tactic feel, everything is pretty straightforward. All right, I've got some details I don't want to show you there. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it, you know, that's pretty much it. That is pretty much it. So if you want to see more of this video, make sure to double check the channel. We got everything covered. All right, these are your buttons. Bottom cat, well fitted. Okay, you can see even the tiny hole there. So you know, it's pretty dope. It's pretty dope. The top bit here, the mic. All right, let me come back to the camera correctly. So yeah, everything is pretty much covered. All right, tactic feel works as it should. If I were to show you how to, if I'm typing, you can see how easily it is for me to type. Okay, there's no big deal. So So as I said, I'm going to leave you more video there for you to watch.
Space. 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 Space melody on the beat. Space melody.